Featuring an impeccable trio in Britt Lauer, Jamie Lee Curtis, and Ray Seahorn, new psychological thriller Cinder premiered at South by Southwest, and we talked with some of the film's biggest stars.
Ken, just tell me a little bit about your experience getting to work on this film.
Oh, it was wonderful. I mean, for me, I just love the script. I love the short film that it was based on. Like, Russell is just, he's such a good director, and just basically, there are a lot of cast members are coming from different lanes, you know, especially myself. So to me, I think that's what makes it most fun, and I just can't wait to see the movie. So we're all here for Russell.
What excites you about continuing to expand your horizons, maybe out of just your typical kind of comedy league that a lot of people know you from?
Yeah, I mean, that had something to do with it where, you know, to be able to do different genres and different works that, you know, to challenge myself and to grow, that hunger is always there. And so I'm just so grateful for Russell, you know, and Jamie giving me the opportunity to do it. Absolutely.
Okay, final question. What's your favorite thing about being in Austin and being at South by Southwest?
Well, South by Southwest is, I have fond memories. The last time I was here, I believe it was with Community, and I think it was in our final season, and we had such an amazing time. And I've been back to Austin to watch the eclipse. It was like, I believe that was a couple of years ago. So, you know, I love Austin, love Texas, and just honored to be here.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.